Hello everybody. Hello. It's time for the float or sink boat steam test. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Oh, who's gonna go first? Who wants to do their boat first? Okay, hands down. Elijah can. Go and get your boat. Yeah, go Elijah, go and get your boats. Okay, let's do a drum roll, everyone. Elijah, you can come round. Elijah, go and swap places over there. That's it. The drum roll, please. Oh! Well done, Elijah, high five. Well done. So, look, Elijah's boat floats. Amazing. Well done. A house point for Elijah. Okay, well done. Okay, a bit of water there. That's all right. Filled up a bit of water. Good boy. Well done, Elijah, and well done on making a good boat. Who's going to go next? Oh, let's have Evangeline. Go and get your boat, Evangeline. Oh, that's it. Yep. Get ready. Everyone, drum roll, please. Ooh. Also flows. Look at that. Wow.
It's filled with water too.
It's okay. No, that's perfect. Well done, you. Evangeline, will you put that on the place there?
Yeah.
Good girl. Well done. Okay, whose boat's going next? Let's have Sharif. Your hands up. Oh, Sharif, get ready. Get ready, everybody. Whoa. Without the flag.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
It actually does float. It just. The problem is it's just a bit lopsided. So it actually floats. Look, it's not sinking, but it's just falling over to the side. Okay?
That means that the dream is sink.
Good boy. Put it on there. So we'll give it a float. We'll say float. Slope, yeah. Okay, well done. Next one. Let's see if. Get ready, everyone. Don't worry, everyone's doing it. Yeah! Well done. Out it comes. Put it over here. Good boy. Fun. Well done. Okay. Let's go for it. You okay? You go. That's a good boy. Good boy. Wish you had that. Okay, hands down. Don't what is it? I'm gonna choose. Oh no. Well done, Arnav. Well done. Good big high five. Good boy. Your boat floats. Well done. Made a floating boat. Good boy. It's a floating boat. Well done. Sandra, it's your turn. Go and get your boat, Sandra. Oh, let's go get our boats. Oh. Too heavy. A little bit too heavy. Oh, do you know what it was? Look, there was a little hole here, and the water came through the hole. But I think for the beginning bit, it did float. So well done. Okay, good girl. Well done, Sandra.
It's again slope.
Slope again. 2 slopes, but it counts. It counts. Well done, Sandra. Well done, Sharif.